I forgot to turn this off. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to say that I recommend you checking out all my socials because I've been pretty active on them. They're in the description box if you want to check them out. Anyways, if you didn't know, I ended up resetting my world because it was super glitchy, and then I had to redo my house for obvious reasons. I was going to do a house tour anyways, I promise, but because you guys have been urging me to do one, today I'll be doing one. My house is also not entirely different, like it is still pretty similar to the last build. I kind of stick with the same ideas, but a lot has also changed. And upon request, today I'll be showing you guys. It is in the modern mansion. So, of course, the first room in the modern mansion is the outside area. So there's a trampoline, and behind the bushes there's also a rainmaker. Also, I'm trying a different way to show off my house, so comment down below which way you like better. Also, the ants and the flower thing are from the wildlife place, I believe. Then I changed angles so you can see better, but we have a plant, and then we have my laundry room. Also, I added a washer machine because I had a little bit of extra room, so I added another one. But again, pretty much the same as my last house tour, I think. And then of course we have the areas by the elevator, which is basically the same except there's no longer a chair there and there's a dog bed. And guys, since I reset my world, we now have Chanel back, which is super exciting. Then moving along, we have like my kitchen, but there is a plant before my kitchen. But this model is pretty much the exact same. I kind of have the same building style, but comment down below a difference from this house tour versus my last house tour. Anyways, then you keep moving, and this is kind of like the dining room area. It is super cute with tons of plants, and I love the plants look. Then we have the snack bar, which is also one of my favorite areas. I love that you can make popcorn, have some coffee, and make waffles on the same area. Then moving along to my super aesthetic bathroom. I absolutely love my bathroom. I think it came out so cool. It is, again, very similar to my last bathroom, so comment down below some differences if you can find any. I just built this house and did whatever I felt like, so. Anyways, then moving along to the master bedroom, which is my bedroom. It is pretty much the same, but I love how it turned out. I feel like it's very open and very spacious and has everything that we need. I definitely always do the same style for the bedrooms, but I love them. Alrighty, so now we're going to move up to upstairs. So my garden is very different, and I absolutely love how different it is. Before anyone asks, the bench is from the movie studio, but also there's also some pool floaties. Then we have the bunnies, and then we have the outside workout area, which I just realized I left the treadmill on. I'm sorry. But regardless, I love this area, and I think it is definitely perfect for a workout area. Then we have the two areas by the upstairs elevator. Basically, just plants and pictures. Then moving along to my huge living room. This area is my little study area. I do really love this area, and I think it's adorable. Also, Buddy's back because we got him. Then we move on to the actual living room space, I call it. I have an obsession with this hanging chair if you can't tell, but I will never stop being obsessed with this coffee table, to be honest. Then we have Ryland's room. His room also stayed pretty much the same because there's not really much to change. And here's Milo. And then we move along to Ren's room. Ren's room is pretty much the same, but it's super cute, and I also added this shelf thing. I think it works a lot better with the space, and I love the style of this room. I probably won't ever change this room too much just because I'm so proud of it. And of course, here's Piper. Then we move along to Oakley's bedroom, which somehow became the biggest. Again, this room barely changed from the last house tour. But of course, here's the cute Bella. Anyways, that's the end of today's video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Before I end the video, I want to give shoutouts. So, shout out goes to the person on screen. As always, this is nothing new. Also, please participate in the art contest if you want to. All details are in community tabs. It does end on Sunday, so please make sure that you act fast if you want to join. There is a chance you could collab with me, and remember to use the hashtag Chloe's Art Contest. Chloe Art Contest, not Chloe's, because that's the way I put it in. Comment down below a purple heart emoji if you watched all the way to this part. But I love you, you're drop dead gorgeous, and you deserve nothing but love. Bye guys!